Hello, good day. So today we will discuss number system, arithmetic binary computation, number system conversion. Okay, as you notice guys, no, nagdiretso kita dire. No, tungod, ang first topic is more on computer history. Pwede ta lang to sila ya ma-learn na masikita-kita lang. I think ini kinahanglan tagid siya i-discuss. Kay kun I think kung kamo-kamo lang without any supplementations from your teachers, medyo mabudlayan ka mo, no? So at least dire, kung ma-explain ta sang mayo, medyo mamag-ana na lang, no? Kabay pa. No? So upon completing this learning module, you will be able to understand the concepts of number system. Also apply the concept of number system, binary to decimal conversion, decimal to binary conversion, arithmetic binary computations, octal to decimal conversion, and hexadecimal to decimal conversions. So the computer nowadays had made a great impact not only for the end user. When we say by the way end user, kita na ang gagamit sa computer, no? But also on our daily routine. So the computer helped the human to make their jobs or tasks more efficient and more accurate, which is a great good raya. No, kay man imagine na lang bila guys without computers, ano na lang ayhan kita karon, you know? Imagine na lang machine na lang sa groceries, no? Try to imagine wala computer ang cashier. Maski tapos dawataman pa ka busy be. So ano obrahon? Nagets yung point. No? Siguro da ang obrahon guro sa cashier is kada mang linya ilista ang mga ginbakal sang customer. Then sumahon ni sa isa, which is tama ka-OT or madugayan kinaya siguro. No? Imbes siguro ang pulo ka customer nga linya, imbes matapos lang within um 5 minutes, siguro mahaponan. Ano? So computer provides a different benefits as a speed na efficiency, reliability, and accurateness. So on this module, we will discuss and apply concepts of computer number systems and its conversion. So this module will enhance your knowledge on how computer interpreted and process all numerical data that comes from any input devices. So again, yung mga input devices, those are computer hardware peripherals na ginagamit naton nga para at least do makakamanda ba sa computer, like for example yung mouse, no, input device na keyboards, no? And take note of this also guys, no, that your computer or our computer cannot understand human language. Hindi sila kachindi sa mga English, kaya mga Tagalog, mga Ilonggo. So the only language that can a computer understand is the machine language, which comprises of 0 and 1. Amo lang na siya. Or shall we say binary code na 0 and 1. So meaning to say, before maintindihan sa computer, ang aton gusto ipaobra sa iya, ang inaobra niya is, ano gani? Gina-interpret, no? Gina-translate niya into numerical data, no? Nga halin sa mga input devices para maintindihan niya. And that where the computer number system kinanglan niya. No, kinanglan niya. So number systems are the techniques to represent number in the computer system architecture. So every value that you are saving or getting into or from computer memory has a defined number system. So this number system determines the data result that declared by the computer. Okay? So first we will discuss the decimal number system. So this number system consists of 10 or base 10 system, and it contains number from 0 to 9. So this means that any numerical quantity can be represented using these 10 digits. So decimal number system is also positional value system. Discuss na rin siya. So which is this means that the value of digits will depends on its position. Example, no? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal number. So consist of 4 in the unit positions, 3 in the tenth position, 2 in the hundredth positions, and 1 in the thousandth position. Or, mula lang ni kasimple o doon itindihan nyo naman siguro halin sa high school. Paano? 1, 10, hundreds, thousand. Okay, so kung may ara pag inada, no? Sisigihon nyo lang sige. So, paano na rin siya isulat, no? All you have to do is, so, 1 times 1,000, 2 times 100, 3 times 10, 4 times 1. So, 1 tens 100,000. Okay. Or also can be written as so 1 times 10 to the power of 3 plus 2 times 10 to the power of 2 plus 3 times 10 to the power of 1 plus 4 times 10 to the power of 0. So after this, we are going to evaluate this. No, all you have to do is to multiply. But before that, count na yung values ini. So all you have to do is to multiply this number to itself by 3 times. No? So 10 times 10 times 10 is equals to 1,000. So 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. 2 times 10 to the power of 2. So 10 times 10 is 100 times 2, it will give us 200. So 3 times 10 to the power of 1 is, so this is 10. So again, no, any number raised to 1 is equals to the number itself. Okay, so 3 times 10 to the power of 1. So this is 10 times 3 is 30. And plus 4 times 10 raised to 0. So, aray naman guys, any number raised to 0 is equals to 1. Okay, so 4 times 1 is equals to 4. So, aray sila. Ang brawa mo lang is i-add mo na lang sila tanan. Which will give us 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? The easiest way to vary instruction through electrical signals is two-state system, the on and off. So on is represented as 1 and off as 0. Though 0 is not actually no signal but signal at a lower voltage. Okay, so the number system having just these two digits, 0 and 1, is called the binary number system. So these are the characteristics of a binary number system. Now it uses two digits, 0 and 1, also called as base 2 number system. So each position in a binary number system or number represent a zero power of the base 2. Example, 2 to the power of 0. Last position in a binary number represent x power of the base 2. Example, to the power of x, where x represent the last position. This is equals to 1. Example, we have a binary number of 10101 base 2. Now we will try to convert this into a decimal number. So, first step is to multiply these binary digits into corresponding position of the digits. So, example, we have 10101. So, if we take a look at this, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that is why it is written as this. No? So, example ini, yung 1. So, 1 times 2 to the power of 0. Because this is, a position is 0. And then, this is 0 times 2 to the power of 1. Plus, yun siya, 1 times to the power of 2. and ini 0 to the power of 3 and 1 times to the power of 4. Okay, the next steps is to get the product of this. No? So let's say 2 to the power of 4 is 16 times 1 is equals to 16 and 2 to the power of 3 is 8. But since it is multiplied by 0, therefore this will give us a 0. So 2 to the power of 2 is 4 times 1. So this will give us 4. And 2 to the power of 1 is 2 times 0. This is will give us 0. And 2 to the power of 0 is 1 times 1. This will give us 1. And now it will get the sum of this. So 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. This will give us 21. So meaning to say 10101 base 2 is equals to 21 base 10 or decimal number. Okay? So another example no para mamastindihan yung pagid maliban sang sining example sa module naton. Ari siya. Let's say we have a 110101 binary number. So our objective is to convert this into decimal. So first, a tip na lang, no, tips. Ang obrahon nyo is isipon nyo ni siya and then start ka mo sa 0 from the rightmost. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then once nakita nyo na mga position niya, write nyo na siya dayon isa-isa. So first, unahon nyo ni, or depende unahon nyo ni siya. No? Para mas mayo dire kay na-identify nyo naman ang position. So 1 times 2, so to the power of 6 plus this, no? 1 times 2 to the power of 5 plus this 0 times 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 times to the power of 3 plus 0 times to the power of 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. Then after that, you have to get the product of this. So 1 times, so this is 64. So 1 times 64. This is 32. So 1 times 32. And this is 16. So 0 times 16. And 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So 1 times 8. 2 to the power of 2 is 4, 0 times 4, and 0 times to the power of 2 is 0 times 2, and 1 times to the power of 0 is 1, so that's why 1 times 1. After that, all you have to do is to disregard na lang the 0 para at least hindi na ka mo magsala. Pa-remove nyo na lang, hindi nyo na kinanglan actually nga ibutang pa di sa equation, no? 0 na siya eh. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so hindi ka na sa kinanglan. Pero kung gusto nyo gidya nga daw hipid ang inyong obra, ang inyong solution, pwede gid na. Okay? So 64 plus 32 plus 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 and plus 1. This will give us 97 base 10 or decimal number.